Okay, guys, we're gonna do some. We're gonna learn how to stream. Now, I know that it says that I'm starting a stream soon, but yeah, sure, we're not gonna do that right now. But I'll show you how to set up a stream. Okay, so you go to your general settings, and then you go to. You see how it says stream. Now, stream services. It says you can go to stream services or custom stream server. Now, what do you mean by service? Is something like YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, you got Dailymotion or Stream.io, all the lovely stuff, I'll say, and you got to pick you'll pick the server that is the best to you. Now, if you're not sure how to, do that, I'm gonna, one second, that's, no, it's something you do not see. All right, now let's see, I'll go Google, okay, Google, I'm gonna find that. There's a way how to check your what's the best server. There's a way. Okay. Check for best stream server. Alright, there we go. Okay. Who needs to spell anyways? Okay. So you wanna know the best. Okay. Now, there's been many things I've said, but I think uh, usually it says, all right, there's a tool for it apparently. So, okay, how do you choose the best Twitch server? Now, I know when people think, like, I know you guys can also stream to YouTube, but I know there's a stream service to Twitch. Okay, so you gotta check, like, obviously, guys, I'll say this because there's an easy way how to do it. But 1 second. Twitch. Okay, let's go to my Twitch. Okay, so there's a thing that you know what. Go on to if you have a Twitch, and you go to a dashboard. There's going to be something on the side that's going to say "Learn how to run stream test," and get your stream key from Task Ditchboard, and then encoder OBS, parameter, stream key added, bandwidth tester, true, stream key, blah, blah, blah. And then you do the bandwidth test, which we're not going to do that because I'll say I already know my bandwidth. It's best, like, I'm come from Canada, so I'm coming, my closest one would be Toronto. So that is the one I'm going to use. So I'm just going to go Toronto, and then obviously Steam Key. Now, Steam Key, what's that? All right, now Steam Key, a stream key is what you need for, it's like your little password into your, where is it? I was trying to remember how to do it. Okay. Now, every time channel, is it in channel? I was trying to remember. Well, every time, no, it's my Linux. Now, every time that I believe that you go into a stream, you have a key, and this key is a secret. It's a password that it's going to tell you. Okay, it's going to tell you password that you need for your stream. Because I know, like with this, like I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's a very, very vital that you don't share your stream key with anyone. Now it's very vital. Okay, so 1 second, dumbass question. Okay, now I'm gonna go Google. Yes, guys, I'm so original. Okay, Google. No, not Google. All right, Google. Twitch. Oh my God, I know. I'll say this, guys. It's been a while since I looked for my key as well. It's been that. It's been that long, and trust me, it's been long. Okay, where do I find my? All right, stream key. It's on your dashboard. Okay, stream key's up there. You don't want to show it. I'm not going to show it, but you take this, you copy this, you copy it, and then all you do is plug into your not that OBS. Plug into here and go to your settings, and then you plug it into stream. And then what you do is you hit this go live button, and then it'll start going live and streaming to Twitch. So guys, I don't know how to. I know I'm not. I'm not scripted, but I'll say this: it's the easiest way that I found so far, guys. Give me a like and drop me a like if you think this video is all right. But also, guys, please support, and also, hey, if I can come out with a different video that you guys want to know something, please tell me in the comments below. And please, guys. And if you guys want to stop by, see more things I've done, stop by my Tubecast through my playlist. And I'll see you guys next time, guys. See ya, guys!